No butuku ne expression yo ketana muno na majensi. Ithoti ya mirinio.
Iyo ti mirinio.
Atira mera gwati ni umite.
No, Koma is from way back. The Koma.
Wakiuma muno.
That's a 1990s expression.
Yes. It's a Safco expression.
Ni umite.
Ni tagara.
Na mifuto ya Tokyo.
Ate hey. Nuno lewe kila masaini.
Saini rewe. Yone silent generation. Ona TX.
Nerika leare. So watu wana leto igana wewe wauga niendete wa kilumba. Tika te smart. Liko jieta go lumbu
tuku.
Yes. Piga luku kula luku. Ikale ile amza.
Ya Gen Z.
Yes. Na luku dhiko jiri. Ni rafatara you have to do how to do yourself.
And
Tenere. Hivyo tugekura. Anything new was luku.
Anything new,
however ugly,
fitting or not fitting,
as long as we have never seen you with it.
New luku.
New mate.
Takare hivi.
Whether it is inherited or bought or donated.
Bora.
Yes.
The people who know you, hiyo gua hawaijui.
And sometimes, to a larger extent, borrowed. Hemono ni alisagirwo guo githi handu. Okay, of really. And that one now involved the administration. Tisiana gwesiana.
Asa.
Nema migwa thie atiriri. Eta wayasa.
Asa.
Yes. Yasa kana kayo ri. Ni undu wa taranda yaku ri. Ni waheo kanya ya guthie kuri anyiri. Kuri muthikabu go perform.
Uga performere muthikabu.
Yes.
Na nigetha mutigakioranie mbica ya thina ri.
Yes.
No nginya ugetherwo itonyo.
Ningi ni undu wa ego boost na esteem. Ugathi they borrow from the neighbors. Mukimuteithia na sati njega ri.
Statira kefini wanyu wekiraga ri.
Yes, ino ya fiscal cotton. Mara ki fedra ya sati. You now go to level 2. Unakamuvuta nako kena jonorete.
Na ni arara ihaga gatuika kangu.
Ewo you do kana ni sati no next week igira nakamuvuto kau. Mwa uko mwena muvuto hii wa bombo jini. Muvuto tagitarura.
Na tondu na kiratu kia buti ri.
So you end up wearing oversized clothes. But ukuna kwa hoya guo na guo ri. Ciana cia ku they were fairly healthy.
And well fed.
Yes, they had no traces of malnutrition. So their clothes would be large. Yes. Na nimwe no aheagwo guo no mwene guo icio ndarenda go heo ni decree
ni orders cia heanwo by the family executive.
Yes. Wakoraro hero wako uri na ruo na ngoro njiro
very dark
kana muiretu wako very dark ha kaje gweje yeni ana yangu kunyu kira
tuikite ki
kwenda ona ngumuhe ciothe natagacokie wathaka
na thukuru no kuguragwa
no guragirwo guoga kira. And they would feel very bad the next morning. Sometimes unamugethia hamwe they would blow you a cover. Nigetha uigue u makaua nguo ici irahoirwo kwao
nigetha akuneane
na rimwe igua akumurutira shati iyo wikare ugu akwenda uko na mashati zake.
Taka.
You see, Luke. That Luke was a mean achievement.
Kuigira Luke serious. You had to outdo yourself.
It was as basic as this. Ona kofo share Luke.
Gumboots.
Gumfoot. Umenye one, gumfoot, it was a preserve of the adults.
No, it was largely an adult affair gukorwo na gumboots.
Cia thoguo cia guthi mugunda, kumeria thumu, na cia nyukwa. Kuma hau, you step on earth.
Unakanyaga dunia.
Yes. There are some exceptional families in the rural areas. Mahuragirwo tukobo twa blue na red.
He? Ciana ciaguragirwo kobo cia ciana.
Acio andu mona hata marona katuni.
Kaire tukena ruduresi na tukobo gagithi thukuru.
Na furana ya kugurwo na ti ya gutumwo na korosi.
Ya ready made.
Ready made. Na kina tuthogithi. Kwaja ria hakinyi ati riu toire tu ukora gekirito stocking. Hindio we uraranga ndoro ikagera guku ndwara gatagati.
Ura irore.
Ando. Wewe radio kigora screen cio TV. And those demagogues would literally walk inside the water. Tono toko for ne insulated.
Yes.
Mukigera huko mwenyitiro ugirire.
Inyo mukigera kuria ngirire faine barabara mwitheme ndoro na mai.
Oka besia pacha.
Keita ide irathi taba huiru.
Kaigiteigiria mai ngai. Ona mwekundu mwakimura hejikire kimwe uyu.
Ta hejigwe
kimwe. Wikire mukaigwa ta waharukia katiba.
You know it was as risky as.
Yes.
We mwana kugurirwo kobori. Na ciari aku ni maramenya very very well. In a matter of time,
yes,
you will have to grow the gumboot.
You see, they would not consider short-term goal. You had to grow into kofosia thoguo iria ahurukirie. Yes. Iria ciena iraka.
Na ndio cihurite iraka.
Yes. Ati tari. Kundu wathie wakora muthuri wako muthee wa mucii isaitha Sunday ndanyuaga ego makanitha okire mucii ena mubuto wa Tokyo wa material wina tana pune na tari utheke they never looked very progressive.
Mubuto wa tana puna tari nani na tari tojeru
na ni waikara thi riu mubuto ni ukwiyoya. Hano ekobo ndaigua ni cia henjagia kuguru ukicimenyera. Kupiga luku kitambo. Nilikuwa chokio yo katokobo twa mutumba. Here they see ruongo the wa relatively cheap. Yes.
So do ya duka. Not many parents would take that kind of.
You see the gumboot would cost pretty much the same ya modongiwa na ya mwana.
Yes. There was no much difference.
Yes. Na nikiona riu ruongo ri rimwe ni wakoraga ni muri the struggle and partition of your family. He atatu anyu maciarirwo gwikumu muno.
When things were bad.
No yagia thutha riri ni makora wondo
ni makora family at least riu yarahauka kaundu ki mondo.
Yes. Na nikio riu aya mbere ri ona muoka Nairobi ri wero gukutithia o maguru matheri ri you had to actually wamba guthie petans ya guthi na tani. Because you don't know how to operate that machine.
Machinery.
Waru matario. Na twara. Reka ume.
Ginya tari igecora twara.
Yes.
Thaiko mira 52.
We are from the struggle.